Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about NIO and specifically what I am expecting for NIO Day, and that also NIO just got another price upgrade. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server in the link in the description below. Join it. We talk during market open, and if you're struggling with your trading, just ask me any questions when you join, and I'm always here to help you. Now let's talk about NIO, what I'm expecting for NIO Day, what investors are expecting for NIO Day, and also how we just got another price upgrade. So this article goes on to say that NIO got a price upgrade from BofA Securities. They went from $54.70 to $59. Now that's not a huge upgrade, but it still puts it past all-time highs. Now the reason they said that this upgrade was suitable for NIO is because they're expecting, along with the sedan, and also a 150 kilowatt hour battery pack that will help improve driving range. And they also go on to say, we already knew this news though, that NIO announced a new deal with the State Grid New Energy Vehicle Corporation of China to construct 100 charging and battery swap stations in 2021. Now I've already mentioned this 100 charging station before. That's just another value bringing on to NIO and its investors. Now let's talk about the sedan and let's talk about the battery. So this new sedan is obviously going to bring more customers in. More people are more likely to buy a sedan that didn't want that SUV car that they only offer. So this brings it into direct competition with Tesla's Model 3, Model S, and so on. So this brings new customers to the market. So this is increased sales, increased cars purchased, and so on and so forth, which brings NIO's value up as a shareholder. Now they're also expecting NIO to unveil a 150 kilowatt hour battery pack. This is huge news. This is another reason to give a person to purchase their car because the battery life is extended. Not only also this 100 charging and battery swap station news that came out, which they're building in 2021, is another reason as well, because these charging stations will be more spaced out. They'll be more accessible. A consumer might not have had 100, they might not have had a charging station in their area. Now they will, because they're adding 100 more. So all these reasons are bullish reasons for NIO to just surge, and that's why they decided to go ahead and upgrade it to $59, which does put it past all-time highs, in case you were wondering. So NIO Day is coming up January 9th. It's very exciting news, and now let's talk about NIO from a technical standpoint and what we actually need to do in order for us to hit that $59 price target. So the first thing we need to do is hold this support area at 48.31. Now we did that today. We were actually hit all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but highs of the day at 50.42. So we pushed up today, and then we got rejected, and we fell below this other support level I was looking at. So this resistance line now that we're looking at is 49.37. So if we're going to be bullish on NIO, we know that we need to get above 49.37, but we're holding this support here at 48.31 just fine. Now today was an amazing day overall for NIO. We were still green. We were up even more in the beginning part of the day, and we pretty much just sold off for the rest of the day. So it kind of was lackluster if you were expecting a big thing for NIO, if you missed it out, early in the morning, because we just sold off for the rest of the day. Now going into the session on Monday, it's a new year. What am I looking for? The first thing I'm looking for is this 49.37 area to break above. We need to get above that and stay above it. Now, once we get above that, we can do a couple of things. We can consolidate and then just basically do nothing up until NIO Day and then just blast right through this level because of the hype. We could do that, or we could just make a slow grind up to NIO Day and then continue this uptrend and just do it slowly. There's two scenarios that we need to do, but either way, as long as we can stay above this area right here at 49.37, then we're bullish on NIO. And then the next resistance line I'm looking at NIO is at 52.77. Now the reason I say that is because over here, it previously acted as a support. Look how many times that we touched this area and we found buyers. So you know that when we get to this area, it's going to act as a resistance because there were buyers over here, but then we fell through it and then just got rejected and so forth. So when we push up to this area, guys, you need to see, how do we react? Do we get rejected again? Do we just immediately sell off? Or do we not get rejected and start consolidating and then push through? So NIO Day is coming up. This long vertical line I drew to give you an example of how far NIO is away from NIO Day. So guys, I'm super bullish on NIO. We can hit all-time highs on NIO leading up to NIO Day. Now, I do have this line over here drawn out because it is all-time highs around $57. So we know that's all-time highs. In order to get to $59, we first need to obviously get above this level, and it is going to act as a resistance. Keep that in mind, just because it is a psychological level that once we get above 57, there's nothing stopping us. We're at all-time highs, and then we can continue this uptrend to that $59 price target that this security place gave it. Either way, I'm still bullish on NIO. We have so many things happening for it in 2021. We have the 100 swap stations, we have the new sedan, and then we possibly have now this 150 kilowatt battery. There's so many things going on for NIO that's so positive that that's hard to be bearish on NIO anymore. Now, I know this whole downtrend scared a lot of people. It scared them. It made them panic, thinking that we were heading back down. But no, we turned back around at my support line, and we've been turning around ever since then, and we've just blown through all these levels. So I'm bullish on NIO overall. We just need to see what it does leading up to NIO Day. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, and if you haven't, join my free Discord server. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.